How to change Gmail name or how to change your Gmail account name. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your Gmail name or how you can change your Gmail account name. Now, it's quite simple and easy. All you have to do is open up your Gmail account and make sure you're logged into the account that you want to change your name of. What you want to do is tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now, if you have multiple accounts, switch into the account that you want to change name of. I'll just switch into this vpnbusnet1@gmail.com. Now here, what you want to do is tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen, and here what you want to do is tap on manage your Google account option. Once you tap on manage your Google account option, you'll be headed to this page here, and what you want to do is tap on personal info option. Head into personal info option, and just there under basic info you'll find the option name. Simply tap on name option there, and then here you can find your name, and beside your name you'll find a little pencil icon. Simply tap on the pencil icon, and here you'll be able to change your first name and last name. Simply change it here. All you have to do is type in your new name and on your first name and surname, and then tap on save option at the bottom of your screen. Now once you type it, that save option will be enabled. Here you can see it's disabled because I haven't typed in. Simply type in your first name and last name, and then here you can see save option enabled, and simply tap on save and your name will be changed. So this way you can change Gmail name. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.